Target Trading Academy.
Hello everyone, this is Dan O'Brien with Target Trading Academy, and I'm doing a video for you, doing a little catch-up video. I have a few of them. This is Tuesday's video, or I should say the video will cover the trades that were submitted to me by my students that are using Carnac Trading Technologies on Tuesday, December 6th. And we've got a small group from Tom and Tim and Kathleen and Mark, and we'll get started with Tom. Okay, Tom's trades, as usual, are all in the ES and they're all live. His first trade here was a couple of shorts looking for a breakout below the bottom of the channel. Didn't work. He covered one of several, then said, man, maybe I'm wrong, and added one, and then bailed out here. And so this is one trade and one overall loss. But then the bars went blue. Things started to pick up. The HFT guys are not very bullish yet, but it's coming way off the lows, and of course he's always reading the tape, so he goes long here and has a nice trade. So 948 long winner, and then we have a long at 1032 here with a small loss. Great work there, Tom. And then here we have a long at 1044 for a winner, and then another long there at the top looking for some range extension and really a breakout above this level. It doesn't happen, and it turns around and these couple of bars here quickly drops, stops him out for a loss, but he still ends up on the day 1200, so good job. All right, next up are a couple of trades from Tim. Tim has a short here at 942 in the ES on the sim for a winner. This here is an error. He accidentally clicked the exit button, and this would have been a good trade actually, because as it starts to roll down, he sells it again here at 958 for a loss. It's unfortunate. I know we've all done it, you know, from in the past, if at least once. And I just kind of wanted to point out just how unfortunate it is, because the trade would have been a winner. As you could see, his automatic two targets come out, and they probably would have been filled here, if not the second one here, but certainly where he wound up selling at 958. And the trailing stop is the line that would have come down to his entry, so it would have been a winner for sure, and instead it turned out to be a loss. So it's unfortunate, but the good news is Tim stayed with the program. The machine learning was saying that the market should go down. This is why the bars went red, and the trending algo went from mean reversion to, hey, we should have a trend here, and boy, did he ever. So that was a great short there at 10:02, and look at the trailing stop all the way down to here is where Tim got out. Excellent trade, and if I adjust the chart a little bit, you can see on the upper right he was done in the morning at $362.50 on the in his sim account. Okay, next up is just one trade from Kathleen. It's a long at 947 in the ES and sim for a winner. Good job. And next up and last we have Mark. We have a series of first group of trades are in the ES and then a couple in the NASDAQ at the end. But we have a short here at 5:22 in the morning, very early, then for a winner, and then another short at 5:28 for another winner, and then a long up here at 7:15 for a small loss. These are all in the ES and all in the sim. All right, next up we have a short at 954 for a nice winner there, as you see. And then we have a couple of trades here that get caught up in this chop, and we have a long at 1020 for a loss, and then a short at 1022 for a partial loss. And then we have a short here at 1056 for a winner. And then he goes to the NASDAQ. We got two very small scalps, 550 short for a winner, and then 706 short for a winner. These are on the same bar. That may have been a long. I'm going to say actually it was a long and not a short, because the momentum was to the upside, and it was, regardless, it was a winner, but it's on the same bar there. So good work, Mark. Okay, so that's a fairly quick video there for the trades, once again, that the students did on Tuesday, December 6th. If you'd like to come and join our current students where they swear by their indicators and not at them, just let me know. Contact us through our Facebook page or our website, and we'd be happy to get more information out to you. Until the next video, trade well.